Today I'm going to be catching and eating an iguana. It's going to be awesome, so stay tuned.
Fuck you. Got the handy dandy casket.
No, we didn't go much into the whole capturing of the iguana because we actually ended up switching from a cast net to a pellet gun. And I don't really want to portray all that on YouTube, so I'm going to get down to the part where it actually starts to look like food in the process of us preparing it and eating it. So we found this red-eared slider turtle that got hit by a car, and we put him in a box and took him to the Bush Wildlife Center to get fixed up, and we took it to a wild.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Estoy Brenden y estamos en el Bush Garden Sanctuary. They're cypress trees. tenemos cypress trees en Florida. Cuando tenemos muchos árboles de cypress en el Everglades, tienes una isla de los árboles.
You stay?
Santiago.
Santiago. And we are...
Los muchos machos muchachos.
Woo! Hello. 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 This is the eastern screech owl. He is fully grown. Right, Santiago?
Yes, it may look cute, but it's actually a full-grown adult owl. Un búho en español.
Mira. Oye. Ven aquí. Oh! He looked at me when I said that. What does the fox say? Ring, ding, 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 ding. Now what the fox say?
So,
You're gonna speak to Santiago.
these are palmetto berries. Palmetto berries are known for curing certain kinds of cancer. People will eat them. I don't think they taste very good. I've never had one, but I do know that they are known for certain kinds of ailments, like curing some kinds of cancers. I love cougars.
Do you now? Cougars! This is me in the morning when I first wake up, showing the world my goods.
Balance me out, my feet can't touch the ground. Yeah, I'm flying. Yeah, I'm flying. Rapidly moving, without you I'm losing control. I need me, so baby I have you to hold.
Film that is spazzing.
Balance me out, my feet can't touch the ground. Yeah, I'm flying. If you leap off the cliff, would I jump out with you? We're free falling. We're free falling.
Alright.
Okay, so we're gonna do our first reaction of the iguana curry. It actually smells amazing, so first off, that's good.
Alright, I'm eating the rice first. Oh, my GoPro's going off.
Well, the rice
The rice
tastes
is good.
The rice is good. It tastes very curry-ish. Now,
You ready to dive?
okay.
Alright,
Hold
peace.
on, wait. Cheers.
Oh my gosh. It does taste like chicken. It tastes like chicken!
It really doesn't taste anything different than chicken.
It tastes just like chicken. You got the tail. I got the leg.
I honestly am trying to, in my mind,
Picture an iguana.
picture the difference between this and chicken, and I can't. It really tastes like chicken.
It's not iguana. It's chicken. No, they call it chicken of the trees. I can see why.
I can
feel like I'm
definitely see
eating a
why.
chicken wing.
Yeah, this doesn't taste anything different than chicken. Like I've been saying, but
Tastes
it's
just
just
like a
blowing
chicken
my
wing.
mind.
This is actually really good.
It's really good.
There's not much meat, so I think
Yeah.
next time if you want to cook one of these things, I suggest getting a bigger iguana.
Right.
The iguana we got was kind of small, but GoPro's going off. But we didn't want to waste any food if we weren't going to eat the thing. So, but now, it's really good.
Yep. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Brenden Lee. This is Mishi Fishi, and we're gonna enjoy the rest of this food.
Kids is my video on how we trapped, cleaned, cooked an iguana, and it was delicious. So if you liked my video, please go down here, subscribe, like, comment, and follow my other social media platforms.